Welcome to Discover Talent Presents, folks. In this series, we're gonna cover Copilot, okay, your everyday AI companion. Now, you must have a question, right? Hearing out multiple AI tools, right? Which is your Chat GPT, other market tools, which is your Gemini or maybe Copilot. So, which one is the best, and which one is a perfect tool for my business or maybe in your daily resume activity? So, those questions we're gonna cover in this entire series. Okay, so don't skip this video in between, where this Copilot is available, how you can generate the images, and how you can write the prompts. Cool. So without further ado, let's quickly start. Before we begin, just wanted to give you the heads up. We are MIEE expert, which is your Microsoft Innovative Educator expert. So whatever information we are giving you, these resources are available on Microsoft portal as well. Cool. So Copilot prompts are instruction or a questions you use to tell a Copilot what you want. Correct? That is called a prompt. Now, when we say a prompt meaning suppose you search on any of the search engine, right? So and so information you needed, and that information gives you a web articles, news, or maybe if in case you want a images, then you simply click on the images section, news, and then you get the information accordingly. Likewise, in Copilot or maybe any other AI tool, right? You have to understand how you write a prompt. Here is the bifurcation I have added: goal, context, expectation, and source. So simply I have just added over here. Goal means what you want. You have to be very specific what you want. Correct? And the context, what you need it and who is involved. Third one is that expectation. Copilot should respond to you. So suppose you type a prompt, okay, and you want Copilot to respond very assertive way. So that time just simply add a tone should be assertive. Okay, it's not that directly you are just saying that hey, you have to do that task, right? To ask a Copilot to give you information in a way, right? So you can get a information done from the particular team member or maybe the leader. Cool. Source, what information Copilot should use. So this is a very beautiful option which is available in the Copilot, which gives us build a trust in Copilot because it's called it as a responsible AI, and this responsible AI will really help us to what information it's referring with, right? It's your be it your PDF, be it your email, or maybe chat thread, whatever you are typing with. Cool. So I'll explain you that part as well section. So let's move ahead, and here we go. Microsoft 365 architecture. So just giving a heads up, right now we are using a Microsoft 365 as a personal version for us. Okay, so that's what we don't have available in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. However, we're gonna use it on Edge. Okay, where is the web browser? In the web browser itself, we can directly use our AI companion. Also, we can download Microsoft Copilot in our mobile app as well. Okay, you can use the mobile and simply you can use it your Microsoft Copilot. Cool. So this is the architecture. If in case you want to take a screenshot, you can definitely take a screenshot, and as your leisure time, you can definitely go through it. Yeah. Again, just in a heads up, it's a if you see over here, right? Let me just draw it. If you see it over here, okay. If you see it over here, this is customers Microsoft 365 tenant, which is your private tenant again. Okay, and what type of information it's capturing? So these are the information it's capturing. So that's what it is called as a responsible AI. The information somewhere where we don't have any knowledge where information is getting stored, right? So this is how we can explain it in a better way to our client. Here, if you could see over here, user prompt. So we can do a prompting over here. Later on, if you could see over here, grounding, right? From Microsoft Graph. Again, it's a third step is this modified prompt. If in case the prompt is not up to the mark what you needed, then you can definitely go with this and you can check what exactly we are getting this data. And this is a simple explanation I have write it down over here. Cool. So basis your leisure time, take a screenshot of it, okay, and just understand it how it works. This is the architecture of your overall Microsoft Copilot, folks. So let's move ahead. Cool. Now you can see over here, right, where it's Copilot available right now. Earlier I have already mentioned that it's available on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but right now we are using a personal Office 365. Okay, so that's what we don't have the Copilot available with us. However, we are using a Edge. Okay, again our mobile device like this. Okay, in the mobile device itself we have it that Copilot. Again in the Teams itself we have the Copilot. If you can see it on the screen, in Teams for recorded meeting. Okay, try to listen the action items. You can maintain the MOMs as well. Okay, in the Microsoft Teams itself. Again, if I do it like this in Microsoft Teams, record it to record a meeting, list of action items, to maintain your minutes of meeting. In Word, select a paragraph, try to summarize this document. PowerPoint, use a prompt like add an image, target with arrows. Cool. Again, once again, Teams in enterprise level, move ahead. So you can real-time basis, you can just download this Copilot on your desktop. Take a Copilot you whenever you go, right? Quick support with the help of this AI, and you can definitely download that. If in case you need a links, okay, so we will add it that in our description, or maybe you can directly just DM us. We'll help you out on WhatsApp as well. Okay, you can directly add hello Copilot, just say hello Copilot and you will get information like this, or maybe you can directly just do a scan over here and you will get a your app downloaded in your system. Always remember, writing a good prompts is a key for getting a better results with your Copilot. Okay, what you have to include and what you have to exclude, you have to think it wisely while you are using a Copilot, because there are tokens are limited, right? When you are using a basic version of your Copilot, when you are using a pro version, that time that's not a challenge for you. But always remember, your prompt should be assertive enough. Okay, and what information you needed, right? You have to be think it very broadly, and accordingly you have to act on. Cool. It's time to talk about demo. Welcome again to show you the demo how Copilot works, folks. Okay, so this is the copilot.microsoft.com URL, and then what we have did, we have just simply asked give me a story of monkey and elephant for an age group of 2 to 9 years, and then what we got this result. Cool. Suppose I want a this particular prompt to be written like this: give me a story of eagle and snake. Okay, and for the age group of 20, 12 to 29 years children. A kid, I'll just say kid. Cool. Then I'll get a result like this from Copilot. So how beautifully we are getting this storyline, right, added by AI itself, folks. Likewise, let's move ahead. We'll see this where it is available. Find Copilot when you need it, right? So it's available on your PC, on your phone, even on your WhatsApp as well. Cool. So privacy matters, and Microsoft always believe in privacy. So this is called it as a responsible AI. And earlier series also we have showed you that the framework, how it works, and what type of information where data is particularly stores, right? So you can refer that once again. Cool. If in case you want to generate a images, you can simply just say generate a Indian culture yoga poses for me. So this is how it is generating. If in case you want a any other image, you can definitely type a prompt like this: generate a image of house which shows UAE culture, and enter. Let's see what it shows. Cool. So it will take some time to generate. Boom. So this is what we got. Image from AI. Cool. Now, if in case you are creating any banner, okay, and you want a tool. So again, we have one more tool called Microsoft Designer, which is available here. if I scroll right and click here designer office.com, and then this is the Microsoft designer. You can see these templates beautifully available for us. In the interest of time, let me just pull this up. And earlier what I have did, I've just created this clearance cell and then inserted these two cute kittens over here. Likewise we'll do it this time as well, but this time we'll add as a dog. Okay, I'll just copy this prompt and I'll simply move here once again. I'll say select this template. So templates are available over here. You can select any of the template. So I will just say sell and enter. Let me see what exactly templates are coming up. Cool. So these are the cells. We can see it over here, folks. I'll just select this and insert it at the right hand side. And here, if you could see over here, supercharge your creation. If in case you are in a free version of Copilot, okay, then you can definitely use it. However, you will have this many coins available with you. This will reduce when you generate a new images. Okay, that time it will reduce one by one. So I'll show you that as well. It's a 14 right now. If I click here visuals and click here once again generate, I'll type a simply this particular prompt and I'll say dog this time and search. Cool. So now it's creating your image and you can find a AI generated image for your creativity, folks. Okay, so let's give us some time to see the images, folks. I can see this image. So you can see earlier it was 14, now it's 13. To remove a background, simply click here, remove background, and then just simply just say like this, and you can keep it like this. Add your brand name or maybe brand logo over here somewhere. Simply click here, add your branded logo. Cool. And just download it and promote it wherever you want to. So this is how beautifully Microsoft Copilot is helping us day in day out to make your business at next level, folks. Okay, now last but not the least, I'll simply just show you this tool, which is Copilot. Again, whatever story I have, your Word document, Excel document, or maybe any other document which is open on the browser, right? That time you want to summarize that, simply click here, copy this. Okay, you don't have a time to read it, just paste Control V, enter. Okay, so this will give you the overall content whatever typed in the next left hand side, right? So this will give you the overall idea what it is exactly. So you will get a summary about this bullet pointers. Also, if in case there is a minutes of meeting available, you can definitely open the minutes of meeting at the left hand side, and to summarize those pointers, okay, you can use this companion. Again, it's a responsible AI, folks. You can definitely leverage this basis your business requirement and create your case study and shine in your work culture. Copilot also offers you this prompts, right? How you can write it. Suppose you are in Excel and you want to know a prompt, what type of prompts you have to add it in Copilot. So simply just use this URL. Okay, we'll add the URL in the description. You can use it and you can see how beautifully you can add these prompts and get a result accordingly. Cool. If in case you are using a Word, then simply just say Word, okay, and you will get a result like this. Create a banner design. Likewise, if I use a Outlook, and in businesses most of the cases we use a Outlook, right? So that's the reason we are seeing this option called Outlook, and basis that we get the result like this. If in case you want a PowerPoint, you can see the PowerPoint as well. Here, if you observe over here, Teams is not really given, but in case you are accessing a Teams and you want a real-time basis meeting MOM generation, so there is an option meeting notes. Okay, you can directly generate that with the help of Microsoft Copilot. Very amazing function, folks. I urge you to leverage a Microsoft Copilot. It's very useful for business professionals. If in case you want to do a digital transformation from your previous whatever softwares you are currently using with, and you want to transform that with the any of the new gen AI, then I will urge you to leverage a Microsoft Copilot because it is a responsible AI. Cool. If in case you have any questions, and you in case you want me to take any session for further, feel free to drop a comment in below session. I'm happy to address those. Once again, thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.